Hello everyone, welcome back to your English class. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to continue with the second video of lesson 10 Smriti at the Wicket. We are going to start today with the grammar exercises. So for that you open page number 119 of lesson 10 from Raintree English course book. Read these sentences. She deserves this success, said father. Father said that she deserved the success. The first sentence is in direct speech. It presents the exact words of the speaker. The second sentence is in indirect or reported speech. It presents the words of a speaker as told or reported by someone else. We do not use quotation marks in reported speech. Tenses and pronouns are changed when we change direct speech to reported speech. Let's understand through examples. The first sentence is of the simple present tense. I practiced, she said. In reported speech, the simple present tense will change into simple past tense. And the answer will be like this. She said that she practiced. Now see the other one. The sentence in the present continuous tense. I am practicing, she said. Now the reported speech will change into the past continuous tense. And it will be like she said that she was practicing. Now see the third example, which is in the present perfect tense in direct speech. I have practiced, she said. The reported speech for this sentence will change into the past perfect tense and it will be like she said that she had practiced. Now the next one is in the simple past tense. I practiced, she said. The reported speech will change into the past perfect tense and it will be like she said that she had practiced. The other changes from direct to reported speech is like I, me and my can be changed in she, he, him, her, his and her. Now we, our and us will change into they, their, them. You and your can be changed in he, she, they, his, her and their. In the same way, this, these, here will change into that, those, their. Today, yesterday, tomorrow will be changed in that day, the day before, the next day. If there is an object after said in the direct speech, then said becomes told in reported speech. Like, I am practicing, she said to me. She told me that she was practicing. Now let's do the exercises. From page number 120. Rewrite these sentences in your notebook in reported speech. The first one is, will you meet me tomorrow? Rakhi asked Johi. So the reported speech will be, Rakhi asked Johi if she would meet her the next day. The second one, James said, I am watching the sound of music. So the reported speech will be, James said that he was watching the sound of music. Third one, we are going to the park, said Jyoti. The answer will be, Jyoti said that they were going to the park. Next one is, I have completed my homework for day, said Sunny. Answer is, Sunny said that he had completed his homework for the day. Question number 5 is, I heard it in the news yesterday, said mother. The reported speech for it will be, Mother said that she had heard it in the news the previous day. Question number 6 is, Did I leave my handkerchief here? He asked Surbhi. And the reported speech is, he asked Surbhi if he had left his handkerchief there. Exercise B. Read this conversation, then complete the passage in reported speech. Mrs. Dexter, do you know sports, Ria? Ria, yes, Mrs. Dexter, I love badminton. Sania Nehwal is my favorite player. Mrs. Dexter, do your parents like badminton too? Ria, yes, but my father prefers football and my mother loves swimming. Mrs. Dexter, do you play any sports? Ria, I play badminton for the school team and I will take swimming lessons from next week. Now the same passage in the reported speech. Mrs. Dexter asked Ria if she enjoyed sports. Ria replied that she loved badminton and then Sania Nehwal was her favorite player. Mrs. Dexter asked her if her parents like badminton too. Ria said that her father preferred football and that her mother loved swimming. Mrs. Dexter asked her if she played any sport. Ria answered that she played badminton for the school team. She added that she would take swimming lessons from the next week. Vocabulary, page number 121. Complete these sentences with the correct form of the words from the box. And the words are declare, exclaim, explain, remark, suggest. The first one is, Virat Kohli's hit a 6, exclaimed Rashid. Number 2 is, these curtains look really pretty, remarked father. Number 3, everyone waited for the judge to declare the name of the winner. Number 4, this book explains the rules of grammar very clearly. Number 5, let's plant the tree here, suggested mother. With this, we complete this lesson. I hope you all have understood and completed the exercises. Goodbye and take care.